My name is Anders Vognsen. I'm leading the Global Lean Agile Center of Excellence in Novo Nordisk. Maybe you have heard of Novo Nordisk. We have a mission of driving change for more than 50 million patients around the globe on rare diseases, cardiovascular disease, diabetes, and maybe these days most known in our obesity efforts. There are many levels into that, but I think right now we are struggling on transparency. So how can we create transparency between we have 18 arts programs running at the same time. We have more than 170 teams running. So how can we ensure that we have transparency and data quality across the team so we can sync and that we can create joint roadmaps? I think as your DevOps, when you have 170 teams and 18 programs who need to connect, we need one source of truth. We need one place to put things so we can plan, we can execute, we can extract metrics, we can provide metrics into it. Azure DevOps is just a super tool for us to put things in. When we first started the collaboration with you on adopting and developing at scale for us, I think we had the challenge that Azure DevOps did not really provide a good tool for PI plannings. So where we actually can connect the stories, the features, the epics to the planning level. And at scale was a tool to help us put that together, giving our RTEs the best conditions to actually conduct the planning, where you actually can do the planning and then at the same time have it registered and have it in the system, instead of all the white posting or having my reports and having to move things, etc. So it has cut out some complexity and it's an easy tool for our ITs to use. That's a big one. But I think show me the money. I think what we have been building so far has very much been on building structures, creating guidelines and instructions on how to work, how to collaborate, but that's all in the structure. So the next sort of level of buy-in will be for us to increase the customer focus. So everyone knows who's my consumer, what is my product, and what is the value that product provide, and how do we know? And sort of a tool like Azure DevOps we should be able to capture these elements in the features and the stories, so we all know what language we are using, we all know what we are collaborating towards. So that's show me the money is the answer for getting leaders on board on the next part of our journey. If you're going to leverage at scale more, dear leaders, do not focus on your own needs, but focus on the team needs and focus on us actually building the foundation for this. That will mean that we need to teach the teams to write good features. Writing a good feature is to understand the problem, to understand the benefit hypothesis, to understand when are we done the acceptance criteria and what are the metrics we are to solve. Give that full focus and be less comfortable and maybe reduce your need for being comfortable on nice PowerPoint slides, on roadmaps and outcomes on the portfolio level. If we do it like this, then the data will be, and it's much easier to build, and we are not disturbing the teams with reports and all that. We can extract that and create meaningful conversations on roadmaps, value, benefit realization, and go on.